Welcome to the Succulent Home with me, Melissa. I got a product review for you today and I'm excited to share it with you because if you're new to my channel, then you're gonna find things succulents, cacti, houseplants, home decor, because I'm an enthusiast of creating spaces that make you feel comfortable to live in and your guests feel welcomed. Now, I like to combine both worlds and give it to you all here. Sometimes I throw in a vlog here and there, a shop with me video, but most importantly, I'm a woman of God who preaches you happy because that's what makes me inspired and happy. Because when I'm encouraging you, God is encouraging me. So that's just what we do here. We're just people who live by faith and not walk by sight. We believe that all things are possible to those who are in Christ Jesus, and we put God first, even in potting. So if that's something that you like, and if that's something new and you've never heard of, personally DM me. I would love to continue to share my faith on a deeper level with you. But also, if this is something that's just refreshing as far as like, hey, I need some motivational potting. That's something that I've created here at the Succulent Home. A lot of times, people don't know what motivational potting is. It's not just watching people pot, but my motivational potting here at the Succulent Home is about encouraging your faith in the Lord, serving our Creator while sharing with you something great about the Word of God, or just an uplifting word and encouragement while you're potting, while your hands are in dirt and playing with plants and creating something beautiful. God is a creative force that created us to be creative beings. And so when we do what God created us to do, we have fulfillment here in our lives. And so I'm just wanting to have a platform that offers you a space that you can have peace, get reassured of how God really created you, and that's more than okay if you're a plant nerd like me, or if you're somebody who loves home decor like me, or if you're somebody who's just like me, who's not one-dimensional, multi-dimensional. I am a woman of God. I love playing with plants. I love switching things around in my home. I love to encourage people. I love to be outside hiking, rollerblading. I also like to be in my pajamas all day for a Netflix movie day. Like, we are more than just one thing, and that's okay. And so that's what I'm here. Hey, I'm here to encourage you and to support you. Hey, right? Give me some dap. Yeah? Okay. Well, to God be the glory. Let's keep it moving. So here it goes. Product review. Product review is what you're going to get here as well. So today I got this right here. I don't just do any product reviews. You guys, it got to go with what I need here at my house, okay? This humidifier, if I need it, you need it. Okay, I wanted something that was gonna be really nice and sleek. I love this Wiekurt, W-I-E-K-U-R-T is the company. And it's an ultrasonic air humidifier. You guys, it's gonna give you humidity timer on it, mist level. It's a sterilizer. So not only is this good for your plants, okay, like your tropical ones. I know my Sensivarias really love this. It's also good to clean the air in your house. So especially during flu seasons and everything going on with that whole pandemic, this is something you would like in order to clean the air in your house, to help your plants not have to do so much with cleaning your air. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and link in the description box below how you can get this and where you can get it from. I'm also going to show you right here their .com. I love this company. This was designed in California. It's a modern design. It helps to improve the air quality and it's healthy in your home. Like I said before, you can put it in your bedroom or your office. It's just perfect. Now, it's also multiple functioning. Now, I like this. I like this because it didn't just come in this. It came in a big old box that was packaged. I took it out of the box and look at how nice. This is going to be obviously a first impressions unboxing. I won't be able to tell you how the functioning of it is at this very moment, but I will at the end of the video. Okay, so inside this box, you're gonna get obviously the brochure, the instruction manual, telling you everything about the product. It's a hybrid ultrasonic humidifier by Wiekurt, or it could be Wiekurt, but I think it's Wiekurt. We are dedicated to providing you with quality products. Should you have any questions or concerns about using a new product, feel free to reach out to our helpful customer service support team. So it's pretty self-explanatory as far as just looking at it. I'm sure I'll be able to do it just because I'm not someone who always like reads the instructions, but that's all right because we got them if you're not like that. And it's just very easy to be able to follow. And I'll show you that in detail as I'm filling it all up. Comes with a little cleaning brush. Boop, boop, boop. This is good. I love a company that gives you all the little things that you know you're gonna need in the future for your machine. Comes with the remote control. You guys, it doesn't get any more easier than sitting on your couch and just being like, oh, I need some humidity right now. I need some sterilization in the air. Boop, boop. I didn't even have to get up, you know, on those Netflix pajama days. But so I got a remote control. Yep. So it has the on and off switch. It has the humidity. It has the mist level right there. It has a sleep mode, a timer, sterilization. Do you see all of those beautiful buttons? Okay. And then it has it also is a smart app setup. So you can do this by your phone. That is another thing. So I could put this in the drawer and you know you guys always have your phone on you. And you just be sitting down on your phone, doing what you do. Okay, ooh, so nice. Okay, so this is how it is. I'm gonna pick it up. Ooh, dun da da da! Yes, guys, yes. So beautiful, so beautiful, so beautiful. Let me put the camera down so you can see it. Okay, so in the back you have the cord outlet, 2-prong, so you would use this definitely in the States. It comes very nicely packaged inside not only the box, but obviously this plastic. It's gorgeous because it's so sleek. I love this white that it has, and it's like a glossy white. It's not matte. Okay. Look at how sleek it looks. It has a little silver stand that it's sitting on right here at the bottom. I like that. See, look at how sleek. Look at it will not take up too much of your space at all, you guys. Very nice. Very, very, very nice. This is also something that you're going to be able to use with aromatherapy. That's the nice thing. Look at, you could take this part out. This is the nozzle that blows the air. Look at how you could turn it around. Blows the whole air out. Look at. This will tell you right here, you'll see the water in there. That's where the water comes out of when you put it. Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how
No, I don't want us to go. Yeah, you could be my lifeline, you could be my sunshine. In a world so full of pain, can you make it go away? Used to be so sad that love was lost, but now it's here to stay. Yeah, I used to be uncomfortable, but look at me today. Never thought I'd find someone like you, someone to show the way. But now I know you're the answer to my prayer. You and me must be right. Something's in the air, I can feel it now. You and me must do something right. We can't get enough of us. You and me every night, aiming for the stars with the love so bright. You and me must do something right. Baby, I believe in us. I believe in you and me, you and me, you and me, you and me, yeah. I believe in you and me, you and me, you and me, you and me, yeah. I'm sorry for the burden, sorry I was hurting, but my scars are almost healed. Yeah, my scars are almost healed. Yeah, I'm feeling like a child now. Everything's alright now, and it's all because of you. You made the flower in me.
And that's a wrap. Here's my final thoughts. I am enjoying this humidifier. I love that I can use it as a facial. But most importantly, it sterilizes the air in my home while making my plant babies happy. It's a win-win. These are the most things that I like. It's sleek, it's compact. I can keep it on my kitchen counter, and since I have like a grand room, it can, filter throughout this whole room, and I like that. I like that I can add essential oils at the bottom, and it can become aromatherapy as well. So if you're someone who likes your essential oils and you want something that's 2-in-1 and not such a small humidifier, this is perfect. It pushes out, look at all of this, all of this humidity that's just pushing out. I love how fast and how much is coming out. I like that it's touchscreen, very easy, very self-explanatory. Another thing, which is like the biggest thing because of convenience, this one, you can use tap water. All the other ones that I have, well, I only have one other one, but all the ones that I've seen, no, and I have a small one too. You have to put filtered water in it. You can't put tap. So this is both. And I like that because if you're a mom on the go, if you're a busy working person, even if you're not a mom, you want things that are like fast. I don't want to have to do all that extra stuff. This is another reason why I like this one. So you guys, do I think you should buy it? I do. I think that it is money well spent and it's an investment. If you own your own business, you guys already know that's a tax write-off. So it's a plus. That's another thing. Now also, you guys, keep on watching. I have new videos up every week. If you haven't hit that like or subscribe button yet, go ahead and do that. Also, keep on inspiring, be motivated, and play in dirt this week. Do it. Rearrange something in your house today. Go to a plant nursery. Go get your piece where you can get it. Go to church. Go fellowship with somebody when you can. Hey, if I can do it, you can do it. So until the next video, you guys, God bless. Bye.